Elevate your Halloween decorations. Transform your Halloween setup with our enchanting LED window lights. Featuring a whimsical orange spellbook, a green cauldron, and a purple cat, each light has a diameter of 7.9 inches and a string drop of 16.9 inches, perfect for capturing attention without overwhelming your windows. Jack-o'-lantern timing function and slow fade. Our lights automatically activate a timer for 6 hours of illumination followed by 18 hours of darkness. Enjoy an eerie ambience with the slow fade feature, enhancing your Halloween atmosphere. Jack-o'-lantern convenient battery operated. Powered by 3 AAA batteries, not included. These low-energy lights are safe and reliable. The integrated hook and suction cup design makes hanging or adhering to windows a breeze. Jack-o'-lantern easy to use. Installation is simple with included suction cups and hooks, allowing placement on glass doors and cabinets. Adding a little water to the suction cup boosts its sticking power for a secure hold. Jack-o'-lantern perfect for various occasions. These versatile Halloween lights fit seamlessly into any indoor setting, whether in your bedroom, on windows, walls, or porches, adding a festive flair wherever you choose.